Welcome to Oven Foods. Today we are making a delicious chicken paratha roll with juicy spiced chicken, fresh vegetables, and a soft homemade paratha. Let's start the recipe. Take 1 cup flour in a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon oil, half teaspoon salt. Mix everything well. Gradually add 1/3 cup water. Knead until you get a smooth and soft dough. Chicken rolls are popular street food. Rub little oil over the dough. Cover it and keep it aside to rest. Take 1 cup chicken pieces in a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon curd or yogurt, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon cumin. Mix everything well so the chicken is evenly coated. Yogurt helps tenderize the chicken while adding a mild tangy flavor. Add 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Give it another good mix. Heat 1 tablespoon oil in a pan. Add the marinated chicken. Mix well and cover the pan. Cook for 5 minutes until the chicken becomes tender. Now add 2 tablespoons chopped onion, 2 tablespoons chopped capsicum. Mix everything together and cook until the vegetables become slightly tender while keeping some crunch. Capsicum adds freshness, color, and a slight crunch to the filling. Finish with fresh coriander leaves. Mix once more. And keep the chicken filling aside. Now take a portion of the rested dough. Roll it into a thin round paratha. Heat a pan over medium heat. Place the paratha on the pan. Add a little oil on the pan. Cook until light brown spots appear underneath. Now spread some beaten egg mixture over the top. Flip the paratha so the egg cooks directly on the pan. Cook until the egg is fully set and lightly golden. Remove the paratha and place into a board. Now add the cooked chicken filling. Top with some fresh onion. Fold the paratha gently to create a neat roll. Your homemade chicken paratha roll is ready. Soft, flavorful, and packed with juicy spiced chicken, fresh vegetables, and a delicious egg-coated paratha. Wrap it, serve it hot, and enjoy every bite. Follow Oven Foods for more easy homemade recipes, delicious snacks, and street food favorites.